Greetings folks, William C. Rogers back at you with another video, and today we're going to talk about turning visitors into customers. This is a new blog post I have over at the easymoneysite.biz/blog, and well, let's get right into it. So, the traffic is flowing, but there's still no sales. This is something you'll sometimes run into. I hear this often from different people. Well, I got some traffic going, but I still haven't got any sales to such and such offer. And then we can go and backtrack and look at a few things. And it usually boils down to a conversion issue. The inability of converting that traffic into a paying customer. So, the best way to fix this, pretty much the only way, is implementing something called a sales funnel. Now, just to sum it up, a sales funnel is simply a set of web pages and marketing communications strategically presented in such a way that brings a person to the point of buying. That's all it is. You might come across some webinars that are even as long as 3 hours to go all into sales funnels. But basically what it is just this. Again, a set of web pages and marketing communications strategically presented in such a way that brings a person to the point of buying. This is the big secret, having a converting sales funnel. Pages that have different messages according to at what particular buying stage that person is at. These things are all important, along with the correct language for the right audience. These things are just important. It's not just traffic alone. It's traffic plus the conversion formula that brings the whole byproduct known as a sale together. Okay? So, now, this type of thing could take you years to figure out, to put all together, unless you let an experienced team do it for you. And I happen to have an experienced team at my disposal, and they can build a full sales funnel for you. And this sales funnel is going to have a 380 plus video membership with resale rights and a back-end integration with mid-level to higher ticket products already built in that you don't have to go and buy. That's something important. You don't have to buy these products to be in. You would simply invest in the installment. The team is going to have to install the funnel on your web hosting. You're going to have your own domain name. You're going to have your own autoresponder, and they're going to install it on your hosting and on your autoresponder. Don't worry about the hosting and the autoresponder. If you need that, you can get that from me. That's all a part of it. You just come to me and get that if you don't already have that. I know most of you already do, but in about 5 to 7 business days, they'll have the full funnel. They will have the full funnel built for you, and the money that you make from this funnel is all instant pay. It's instant pay commissions. Instant pay. As long as you got a PayPal account. They may be able to set something up with Stripe. You'll have to talk with the team about that. But you're good with PayPal. Start off with that one. As you grow, you can get on to other different merchant account providers as needed. But PayPal is going to be perfect for you, especially when it comes to getting instant payments. You know, I get instant payments a lot, and they'll go to my PayPal account. And the thing is, PayPal account gives you a debit card. And right on this debit card, it's immediately spendable. So as soon as a sale is made with this funnel that they'll build you, those funds are immediately spendable on this card. I don't know if you knew that or not about PayPal. PayPal is free to join in case you aren't already a part of PayPal. Go ahead, try it. At least use it to get some of these instant commissions. Again, free to join. So you'll come here, you click on this, and you'll get the funnel installed. Simple as that. Now, I want to show you. You're going to reach a page that looks like this. And you'll see there's a bold promise that you'll make your first $19.95 sale with this membership system, this whole setup, and earn your first commission paycheck within your next 30 days, or this product is free. Now, the reason why I got a smile on my face because, okay, yeah, it's a bold claim, but once you have this funnel set up and some traffic comes to it, you're going to get way more than $19.95. So actually, it's kind of easy for them to make that headline claim. I mean, that's just, you're going to make that. Okay, now, but of course, I do have to have a disclaimer. I don't know your worth ethic. Full disclaimer. I don't know how far you're going to go with this. I don't know if you're going to get the funnel installed and then just let it sit on your server. I don't know if you're going to get the funnel installed and go and get some garbage traffic, some bot traffic, some just all pop under traffic. I wrote a post about that too, about different traffic scams. You can go back to the easymoneysite.biz/blog and check that post out as well. Don't go for those traffic scams. I don't know everything you're going to do, but if you get this funnel installed and follow the directions correctly, even on the traffic training, because that's another thing that this comes with. You're not just getting the funnel called. It comes with its own traffic training. This is the kind of results this funnel can produce as far as leads and sales. Well, just leads there. Show you some of the other results coming up. And basically, your funnel is going to have a leading sales page in it, and it's going to look like this. This is kind of the pages of what the funnel is going to look. It's what your potential customers are going to see, when they come to your page. They're going to come to an opt-in page, of course. So you can build your list. That's going to be built for you. There's going to be up to 50 emails that's going to already be automatically set up to automatically go out to not only promote this offer, which is going to give you 100% instant payout profits, but also other offers as well down the line that are also going to pay you affiliate commissions straight to your PayPal. And this is a very cool membership. So let me show you. If we just click here, because we do allow you to see what it's going to look like here. Let's take a look. Give it some time to load up. And while it's loading up, we can still go here. 100% done for you. High converting. There's an upsell system, because after they go to the page I'm about to show you, there's going to be an upsell that's fully built in, and you also earn 100% commissions on the upsell as well. This is a true funnel. They're building for you, and when you see the cost of this, you're going to wonder why you didn't do this already. Okay. Looks like the page is loaded up. So let's see. Let's take a look. Here we go. So this is kind of what your page is going to look like. This is what your page is going to look like. Look at this. Video sales letter. It converts real well, too. This is the page. Again, yoursite.com. It's going to be here. This is the main sales page. The main sales page. See that? And your customer is getting all this. They're getting this training. They're getting all these, this whole 300 video training, and these two, the 12-week top secret course reveals 12 aspects of your business. This special bonus is coming with it. Your customers are getting all of this. And this is going to be on yoursite.com. Okay, now, and after they purchase this, there's going to be an upsell. It's going to be an upsell. And by the way, your picture is going to be here I left this here just to show you. Now, lead magnets all in place. Like I said, it's going to be a lead capture page, the follow-up, full email, 50 follow-ups and growing. It's going to be more than that. High back end, that's all the OTOs that are going to be introduced. There's going to be OTOs introduced, and then in those 50 follow-up emails, some of those emails are going to be promotional emails, marketing emails, storytelling emails that get the person to purchase, to buy. This is a sales funnel that is being installed under your name, under your hosting, under your autoresponder. Take a look at the flow, just in case. These are your potential traffic sources here. Let's just say you use these traffic sources or other traffic sources, paid traffic sources that I give you under, again, easymoneysite.biz/blog. You'll see get traffic here in the menu. I got a whole bunch of traffic sources there, no problem. And the traffic, they're going to go to the squeeze page. As soon as they hit that squeeze page, the 50 follow-up messages will begin over time. Now spread out all at once, of course. We're not spamming anybody here. There's nothing like that going on, you know. And then they'll also be forwarded to that sales page. There's an upsell. It's going to happen. All potential payments you can make. Instant payout, because, you know, you're going to be also offering a chance for affiliates as well to make commissions. This is a full system. Look at these offers that are going to be within those 50 follow-ups. You see that? Big mid-range to high-ticket offers without you having to pay for those offers yourself. That's a big point. Unlike business opportunities you may be familiar with, where you have to invest in those products first before you can even sell them. Well, that's not the case here. You're simply going to invest in getting the funnel installed on your own server and in your own autoresponder. That's what you're paying for. That's it. Everything else is profits for you. Getting all of this. These are some of the more on the different offers that your customers will end up being introduced with, and the amount of commissions you could potentially make. I mean, it's all built in. That's the thing. And again, you are not paying for this. You're not paying for this. That's built in. I want to make that clear. That's a specialness about this offer that I don't think people are understanding. You have mid-ticket range to big-ticket offers built in that you yourself don't have to buy. Emails already done for you. You never have to write a single email. They're going to come out on a certain days and times strategically. Research has already been done. We know when, where, and how to send out emails in the best ways and times. It's going to already go out for you in your own autoresponder. Again, don't have an autoresponder? I get you one. And access you up with one that has a free 30-day trial. One that even has totally free up to so many subscribers that you get. This is just an example of some of the emails that are written, the lessons and storytelling type fashion. They're not spammy emails just trying to get people to buy. Here's my new thing, buy. No. This is giving pure content to your people. Teaching them things, you know? This is not BS here, folks. This is a real sales funnel. Some potential results of the opens on some of these email messages and these lessons and these storytelling promotions get. You get in the full shebang here. Full deal here. Instant pay profits. Leveraging the experience of those who already know, been there, done that. How else could we build this thing for you? Come on. We're getting all that for you. Here it is again to sum up everything you're getting. Boom. How can you pass that up? How can you? Come on over. easymoneysite.biz/blog. You're going to see that. Latest posts. Turning visitors into customers. All these testimonials. It's in some BS thing here, folks. We're here to help you get paid. To help you get sales with a true and living, real deal sales funnel. That's me right there. My team partner, Aaron. They're going to hook you up. It's going to be done in 5 to 7 business days. Don't worry. We'll have you ready. Ready to get you going. Can't wait for you to come on inside. Come on over to the easymoneysite.biz blog. You'll see that post, turning visitors into customers. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.